Hi, this is the OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel and you'll find here some of the available options. You could use here just more options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons here. So click here to the three dots, tap to edit titles, and to add here some options to your panel, or to remove some of them, you should use these red minuses and green pluses. And just to change the positions of the icons on the panel, you should just hold them and drag by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. And just to go back, click to save the changes, click to go back, and to reset all of the changes, tap on the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to reset icon. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.